Welcome to another maths lesson. Today we're doing something a little bit complicated, but actually I think you guys will get it really well. So we're using a factor product relationship to derive multiplication and division statements. It's a bit similar to where in addition and subtraction you do part, whole. Okay, but we're doing this time factor product for multiplication and division statements. So let's see if we can, when doing multiplication calculations, how can we check our answers? So when we're doing division calculations, how can we check our answers? So 3 times 5 is 15, but also 3 times 5 is 15. But if you're doing a division sentence, 15 divided by 3 is 5. So also 15 divided by 5 equals 3. Okay, you can make the division statements change and multiplication statements change as well. Remember, with the multiplication sentence, the answer is the biggest, and with division, the biggest number is at the start. So let's try another example. So we've got 10 times 4 is 40, but also 4 times 10 is 40, but 40 divided by 10 equals 4, and 40 divided by 4 equals 10. So here is our do it. So it says, if I know that 4 times 5 is 20, then I know that something times something is something. So you're going to use the same numbers. You're going to use 4, you're going to use 5, and you're going to use 20. Okay, when you're doing the multiplication, I'll give you a clue. 20 will be the same answer, but you need to write these two numbers in the boxes. It can't be 4 times 5 again. And then we know that something divided by something is something. So when we're doing division, remember, the biggest number goes at the beginning. Okay, remember you have to put the numbers 4 and 5 in these boxes. And then afterwards you need to complete the statements for 3 times 10 is 30 and 8 times 2 is 16. So for each number there will be 3 more statements. There'll be 3 more. Okay, you need to make sure that you've got these 3. Then for 3 times 10 equals 30, you have 3 sentences. Then 8 times 2 equals 16, you also have 3 number sentences. So pause the video now and do your do it. Now we have the twist it. So it says, Colin thinks that he has completed 2 statements using 5, 6 and 30. Explain why he is incorrect. So this one says 6 times 5 is 30. Let's see if he's right with that one. So 6 times 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Oh, so that one is right. But this one says 5 divided by 30 is 6. Now, we can't do this one because this number is in the wrong place. So see if you can tell me where this number should be and why. Remember when we're doing division, what number comes first? It's the I'll see if I'll leave you with that one. I won't tell you the whole answer. So pause the video now and do your twist it. So this is the last bit. This is your solve it. So you're going to complete as many multiplication and division statements as you can using 3 numbers from each set. So some of the numbers you won't need to use. So this is 4, 2, 8 and 6. So you're going to pick 3 numbers from this set. So you might pick, for example, 2, 4 and 8. Remember, they might not all work, and then you're going to write 3 number sentences. So you might write, for example, 2 times 4 is 8, and then you can write another multiplication, and then you might write some division sentences. Then you're going to pick 3 numbers from here and 3 numbers from here. So this is my one. So let's see what numbers. I'm definitely going to use 35 because that's the biggest number. That looks like the answer. But let's see what 2 numbers make 35. So I'm going to do 5. I'm going to do 5 times 6, and let's see if that works. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Oh, well, 5 times 6 is 30, so I can't use 6. Let's do 5 times 7. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Oh, yes. So my first one is 5 times 7 equals 35. So there's one number sentence. I'm going to do another one. I'm going to do 7 times 5 equals 35. And I'm going to do division 1, so I'm going to do 35 divided by 5 equals 7. I'm actually going to do 4. 35 divided by 7 equals 5. So that's my example. You're going to do the other ones. Okay, it says use 3 numbers from each set and see if you can complete. So I've done 4 here, but see how many you can do. So you should do, there's 4 for here, so 4, 8, 12. So you should write 12 number calculations for each one. So this is the end of the video, so do your solve it now, and then make sure you upload a video, or not video, a picture of your work onto Google Classroom so I can mark it. Well done for today, guys. Bye.